Hi kids, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn people who help us. People who help us. Milkman, milkman, what do you do? I get milk from cows and supply to all homes. I get milk from cows and supply it to all homes. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I give you a pill when you are ill. I give you a pill when you are ill. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I make learning fun for all of you. I make learning fun for all of you. Pilot, pilot, what do you do? Up in the sky, can you see? I fly an aeroplane for you and me. Up in the sky, can you see? I fly an aeroplane for you and me. Baker, baker, what do you do? I bake cakes and breads for you. I bake cakes and bread for you. Cobbler, cobbler, what do you do? I make new slippers and mend your shoe. I make new slippers and mend your shoe. Tailor, tailor, what do you do? I make clothes all colorful and new. I make clothes all colorful and new. Gardener, gardener, what do you do? I grow plants. I grow plants. Barber, barber, what do you do? I cut your hair. I cut your hair. Farmer, farmer, what do you do? I grow crops for all the people. I grow crops for all the people. Firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I put out fire and help you from danger. I put out fire and help you from danger. Policeman, policeman, what do you do? I enforce law and order to the public. I enforce law and order to the public. Traffic police, what do you do? I control traffic. I control traffic. Plumber, plumber, what do you do? I fit and repair pipelines. I fit and repair pipelines. Driver, driver, what do you do? I drive the bus and take you from one place to another. I drive the bus and take you from one place to another. Postman, postman, what do you do? I deliver letters and money orders. I deliver letters and money orders. There are many helpers around us. We should respect them. We should thank our community helpers. I thank you, kids.